Hello, yes, I am back again to tell you that the Redmi Note 12 has another 3 new phones, and I'm here to help you pick which is the right one for you. So what I have here is the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. No, it's not to be confused with the Note 12 Pro Plus. There are a few differences between the Plus and the non-Plus versions, mainly the battery and the camera. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G comes with a 50 megapixel camera rather than a 200 megapixel camera, which might sound like a downgrade. But when it comes to low light shots, it is pretty impressive. It gives you good clarity on details, noise is almost non-existent, and the overall ability to make the image more visible is there without turning it into an evening shot rather than a night shot. Now this is all thanks to the Sony IMX766 sensor, which was made particularly to take better night shots. This is also coupled with OIS, so if you have shaky hands, this will help in taking handheld shots and even long exposure shots. Just don't go too wild with it. The IMX766 is quite impressive on its own, and seeing it on a mid-range phone, it's really nice, especially for a phone that only costs 1,299 ringgits. As for the battery, you are still getting a 5,000 mAh battery, but only at 67 watts of turbocharging, which is honestly not bad at all because Redmi claims that you can get a full day's worth of battery with just 15 minutes of charging, which will still save you if you are in a pickle. But aside from that, you are getting the same gorgeous 16.67-inch Full HD Flow AMOLED display. The viewing angles are good. It is really enjoyable display to watch your movies, your TV series on, and this is all thanks to the narrow bezels offering a more immersive viewing experience. I really enjoy the contrast you get from the AMOLED display and the vibrancy, and I think that Redmi has not disappointed in this department. Now, of course, the best for me is the 120Hz display. The smoothness is just so yummy when you are swiping around or just switching between apps. I have to give it to Redmi for releasing a 120Hz display phone that only costs 1,299 ringgits, allowing more people to understand why high refresh rate phones feel so dang good. Powering the phone is a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor. It is excellent for everyday usage like browsing the web, your socials, and even getting work done on the phone. We even tried it out with gaming, and you can easily play games on the medium settings without any issues. And even if it is a mid-range phone, Redmi has put in the effort to ensure that the phone has a sleek and premium feel to it. It is not too over the top and it's not too simple, making it look like a generic phone. It has a glass back and a flat frame, which has some sense of elegance to it. Now, aside from this phone, there are 2 other Redmi Note 12 phones that have been released together with this phone: the Redmi Note 12 Pro and the Redmi Note 12S. The Redmi Note 12 Pro has the same 120Hz 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display together with Dolby Atmos and Vision for excellent media consumption. It has a Snapdragon 732G processor with a liquid cooling technology and a 5,000 mAh battery with 67 watts of charging and a 108 megapixel camera enhanced with AI. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 12S has a 6.43-inch Full HD AMOLED dot display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Powering it is the MediaTek's Helio G96 processor and a 5,000 mAh battery which supports 33 watts of charging. It also has a 108 megapixel camera which is powered by AI. Redmi has also released 3 other Note 12 phones which we already made a video for it, which you can check out up here, or is it here? You figured it out. So yes, it might feel a little overwhelming with the amount of Note 12 phones that are out there, so we decided to give you a quick recap. If you are looking for a flagship experience without selling your kidneys or working 3 jobs at once, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G and the Redmi Note 12 Pro are the phones for you because they come with flagship level camera sensors like a 200 megapixel camera on the Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, a Sony IMX766 sensor on the Note 12 Pro 5G and a 108 megapixel coupled with a powerful Snapdragon 732 32G processor on the Note 12 Pro. While those of you that prefer a phone that just works out of the box, there is the Redmi Note 12 5G, which comes with a 120Hz AMOLED display coupled with the new Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor. The Redmi Note 12S for its style and 108MP AI camera with long-lasting battery, and finally the Note 12, which is an all-rounder phone with a 120Hz AMOLED display and a 50MP camera. All of these phones that I mentioned are currently out in the market, and we decided to make this video because it might be a little bit confusing, so we are hoping that with this video it can help you make the right decision for you. And if you have made a decision, don't forget to let us know in the comments down below. And with that guys, don't forget to check out our description because we have links for all these phones out there, and if you're interested in purchasing them, the links are there as well. And with that guys, I will see you in the next video.